everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Aisha Loves Makeup. Today I have the glossy box for the month of December. I'm loving this box because it's pink and it's very like festive, holiday festive. If you guys want to know what I got in my box, then keep on watching. Alrighty guys, before we get into the box, I just want to introduce myself to anyone new to my channel. My name is Aisha. I love makeup. I do lots of makeup subscription unboxings on my channel. That's the majority of what I do. I would call myself a makeup subscription channel. But I love makeup, so I do lots of makeup hauls. You're gonna get mystery boxes. I'm gonna be doing lots of advent calendars for December. If you guys love makeup and you want to show some support, I would say consider subscribing to my YouTube channel and becoming a part of my YouTube family. And if you love my video, give me a lovely thumbs up. It's greatly appreciated. And that's it. Let's get into the box. So as I said, I love how this box looks. It's beautiful. It's pink. It's sparkly. It's very festive. But let's see what's inside. Alrighty, so that's the first sneak peek. We got a little card on top. They normally tell you what's inside the box. I will give you guys a quick sneak peek there. There you go. And let's dig in. Alrighty, so the first thing I got is a Christopher Robin. There's no R, so it's not Christopher. Christopher Robin. It says cleansing purifying scrub with sea salt. And it says this is for your scalp. I've heard good things about this brand, so I'm excited to try it out. Let's see if it has a price in here. It says that the full size of this retails for $53. The deluxe is $8.48. The next thing I got is a Youth to the People moisture cream. That's what it looks like. I've heard about this brand. I've never tried anything from them though. But this is just a little sample size. That's what it looks like. It says that the deluxe mini is $18 and the full size is $58. Oh, I forgot to mention this box cost me $21 and this is a UK makeup subscription box. The next thing I got is a coffee scrub by 9 Tan Body Skin. It says exfoliating for buffer, smooth, soft skin. This is what it looks like. Let's see the price of that. That retails for it says travel size 30 30G. Is that the travel? Yeah, so that's the travel size. Full size is $19.95. The next thing I got is a face mask. It's for smoothing. It has smoothing coconut biocellulose eye mask. That's what it looks like. That retails for $6. The next thing I got is a nude stick. It looks like it says for cheek and lip. This is what it looks like a nude color. The next thing I got is a Embroilis. It's a moisturizer. One time a while back I went to a makeup show and the guy told me he uses this as a primer, moisturizer primer for under his client's skin. So I do have the full size of this, so I'll probably give this away, but that's what the box looks like. The next thing, oh, let me see. The full size of this was $28. That sample size was $4. When I went to the makeup show, I didn't get it full price because usually everything at the makeup show is 40% off. So if you guys ever get the opportunity to go to a makeup show, I definitely would go because you get name brand makeup for cheap. The next thing I got, is this the same thing? I got two of them. Two of the same exact things, which is weird. Maybe that was a mistake and they didn't mean to put both of them in there. Yeah, they're both the same thing. Well, I got two. Yeah, so that really was about it. I would say I'm not too happy about this box. There was only one makeup item. I got a mask, a sheet mask, an exfoliator, a moisturizer, and this says a moisturizer too, but then why give... Oh, this is a hair product. I'm sorry. A hair product and the two moisturizers. And that's all she wrote. That's all she wrote. That's it. Not too excited. Like, I like makeup subscription boxes to be makeup. Or is that just me? Am I wrong for wanting makeup in my boxes? I mean, I know beggars can't be choosers and we can't really pick like what we get in our boxes. That's the whole point of mystery boxes and subscription boxes, which I don't mind, but it's just, I feel like there should be at least 2 to 3 makeup items in here. It shouldn't be majority like skincare, which it was. So for that, out of 10, I'm gonna give this box a 4 because I didn't even like half of the stuff, so I can't even give it an honest 5. So that's really about it. That's the ending of my video. What did you guys think about my glossy box for the month of December? Did anyone get the glossy box? Or you guys subscribe to this box? Let me know your thoughts down below, and I'll see you guys all in